Is your website vulnerable to malware? It is a scary thought, I know. But here is the good news. You can activate Namecheap security in under 5 minutes and protect your site today. Let me show you exactly how. I will walk you through the steps to find and enable website security on Namecheap, from the dashboard all the way to choosing a plan that fits you. So the first thing you want to do is head over to Namecheap's homepage. Just type in namecheap.com in your browser and hit enter. This is where everything starts.
Once the page loads, you will see a big menu at the top. Now we need to find the security section. From the homepage, look for the tab that says Website Security. It is usually right there in the main navigation bar. Give that a click. This takes you to their main security hub. Now, on this page, you will see a few different options for protecting your site. The one you want here is called Protect Against Malware Threats. Go ahead and click on that. This is the core of what we are doing today, so make sure you are on the right spot. Once you are on that page, you will see a big button that says Get Started. Click on that. This will actually begin the sign-up process for the service. It is pretty straightforward from here. Now, here is where you have a choice. You will see the option to pay monthly. Click on that. This shows you the price if you want to pay month to month. It is good for flexibility. Now, but before you decide, let us check the other option. Now click on Yearly. This will show you how much you save by committing for a full year. You get a much better rate this way. It is one of those things where a little planning ahead really pays off. So, after seeing the yearly price, go ahead and click on Monthly again. Just toggle back. Maybe you want to try it out first before you commit. That makes total sense. All right, this is the final step. Click on Start Trial. This will activate your protection right away. You usually get a free trial period to test it out, so there is no risk. In my experience, this is the best way to kick the tires and see if it is a good fit for your site. And that is it. You have gone from having an unprotected website to having active security monitoring through Namecheap. Your site is now much safer from malware and attacks. You can feel a lot better knowing you have that layer of defense in place. Thanks for following along.